Dear students, this is the fifth problem. Here, say outstanding salary 3,200 is there, outstanding rent 800, advance subscription previous year received in the current year. This current year's amount received in the previous year. Capital fund, there is okay. Cash in hand, opening cash balance. So outstanding subscription not received by the members. Investment, sports material, furniture. This is the opening balance. Subscription previous year 4,800 receivable received. No need to record here. And current year's 90,200. And here next year's received in advance. Donations. Entrance fees, interest, sale of sports materials. Here rent, last year. See, this is 2017, 800 payable, paid separately, no need to consider. And salaries, see 3,200 is there, that 3,200 paid separately, no need to consider. And this is advance payment, printing expenses, furniture purchase last year, no need of calculation of the depreciation. Sports materials for 6 months only and closing cash balance. See, let us see. So now go to the payment side, rent. To rent. Rent is 2017 and 18, current year 8,800. And no other adjustments in this. Directly write 8,800 in the outer column. 8,800. Second, salaries. So 2016 and 17, 16 and 17 payable, paid separately, 17 and 18. This won't come, this will go to the balance sheet. 18 and 19, we have to record in the balance sheet. So 17 and 18, any adjustments are there? Accrued interest, nothing is there regarding to salary. Current year salary is 46,400. After that, printing is there. To printing, say printing unpaid, payable, outstanding. So how much printing paid? 15,200. No, previous years add outstanding. Unpaid means outstanding 1,000. Totally 16,200 in the outer column. Next, general expenses, no adjustments. No previous period, so general expenses to general expenses. So directly 10,800. After that, furniture, sports materials, subscription, printing unpaid, interest accrued, depreciation. To depreciation on sports materials. Say opening sports materials is 43,600. 10 by 100 full. 4,360. Purchases. Second one, purchases is there. So purchases 57,000. 57,600 into 1 by 2 into 10 by 100. So cancel. 2,880. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 8s are 2,880. Totally 40. Carry 1 2 carry 1 7,240 in regards to the sports materials. After that, furniture is there. Furniture. The value of furniture is 32,800. 32,800 into 10 by 100. 3,280. Overall depreciation is 20 carry 1 5. So 10,520 in regards to the depreciation. So these are all the items. Next, coming to the income side, that is subscriptions. By subscriptions, see, subscriptions for the current year is 90,200. 90,200 add previous year advance, so 4,000 add current year outstanding 5,600, totally 99,800. After that, donations, 50% of the donations to be capitalized. By donations 50%, that is 16,200, and entrance fees, no information. By entrance fees completely 65,200 is there, 65,200, and interest is there to interest. By interest 2,800. One more adjustment is there for this, that is interest accrued, receivable, not received. Add accrued 800, 3,600 in the outer column. After that, interest. And sale of old sports materials, no need to record here, directly we have to direct, because receipts and payments account items will be recorded only once, so we will directly direct there. And subscription over, printing over, accrued over, depreciation over, capitalization over. See now, eight plus 2, 10, 800. So carry 1, 1 lakh, 1,16,000, 1,76,000, 1,81,000, 1,84,000, 1,84,800 on the credit side, 1,84,800 on the credit side, and here 8 plus 4, 12, 10, 22, 27, 20, carry 2, 8, 16, 22, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5 plus 4, 9. So 92,080. This is to excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus. So 92,080. Totally 1,84,800. 1,84,800. So now balance sheet. This is the closing balance sheet. Balance sheet rupees, rupees, assets, rupees, rupees. So first capital fund. Capital fund is there 1,30,800. 1,30,800. And surplus, that is 92,080. Next is the interest fees, donations, and 50% of donations, 16,200. Overall 80, 0, carry 1, 9, 3, 2,39,080 is the current year's capital fund available. After that, go one by one. Subscription received in advance. Advance subscription 2018 and 19, that is 4,200. Next, no other things. Outstanding subscription 1 bit, outstanding printing. Outstanding printing is 1,000. Okay. Right over, everything is over. And salary advance is there. No need. Everything is over, I think. Everything is over on the left side. And coming to the asset side, important. Cash at bank. Cash at bank. So cash at bank is not the opening balance. We have to consider 60,800. 60,800. Next is the outstanding subscription. Current years you have to write, not the previous year. Outstanding subscription, that is 5,600. And next year, interest accrued, 800. Interest accrued is 800 over investments. Here no other investments are there. So investments is 5,200. Next is the sports materials. Important is the sports materials. So purchase opening is 43,600. Add purchases. So purchase is 57,600. So 200 carry 1,02,00,000. Less sales, 2,000 is there, 2,000. So 99,200 less depreciation. Overall depreciation, just we find out 7,240. 7,240 is there, 91,960. After this, furniture is there. So opening is furniture 32,800. Add purchases. So 48,000. So here 80,800 less depreciation. Just to find out 3,280. That is 77,520. So say all the items. 2,44,280. Here 80, 14, 16, 24, 38, 14, 16, 14, 6. One more is there. That is advance salary. This advance salary advance 2,400. So now 2,44,280. 2,44,280. See, to rent 8,800, to salary 46,400, to printing 15,200 inner column, add outstanding 1,000, 16,200, general expenses 10,800, depreciation, opening sports materials 4,360, and purchases 2,280, totally outer column 7,240, furniture only opening we have to take furniture. Even 31st March 2018 is given in the receipts and payments account. We are not going to calculate because it is the last date. Subscription current year 90,200. Previous year advance received for the current year, that is 4,000. Current year outstanding 5,600. Totally 99,800. Donations 50% capitalized 16,200. 50% is treated as revenue. And entrance fees 65,200. Interest 2,800 plus 800 accrued 3,600. 1,84,800 minus 92,720. That is 92,080 is the surplus. So capital fund 1,30,800. So add surplus 92,080 and 50% of the donation 16,200. Totally 2,39,080. Advance subscription for 2018 and 19 4,200. Outstanding printing is 1,000. Cash at bank closing cash 60,800. Outstanding subscription 5,600. Interest accrued 800. Investments 5,200. Sports materials and purchases totally 1,01,200 less sales. Sports materials sold, the net available is 99,200. In that 7,240 deducted as depreciation, that net available is 91,960. Furniture 32,800, purchases 48,000, totally 80,800 less 32,880, 3,280. 3,280 is the depreciation. So 77,520 is the net balance. And salary advance receipt. So 2,400 that recorded, totally 2,44,280, 2,44,280.